All right, so that was 7 here, which is, let me just check here. Yep. Okay, I have, I believe, one or two more problems. Yeah, given f, or I think I have 3 more problems actually. Given f of x equals 5x squared minus 2x, and g of x is 3x squared plus x minus 4, what is f plus g of x? And as you can see, the solution is not here, incomplete solution, because I cannot see the attachment clearly. So incorrect solution because I can't see any. I don't see the problem here, or the solution to the problem, sorry. So f of x is going to give me 5x squared minus 2x, and then g of x is going to get me 3x squared plus x minus 4. It's asking what is f plus g of x. Well, f plus g of x is simply, I'm adding f of x and gx together, right? So this is simply just f of x plus g of x together. So simply, this is going to equal 5x squared minus 2x plus 3x squared plus x minus 4. So I'm simply just using, the property where f plus g times of x is equal to f of x plus g of x, and I can simply just collect terms to solve this problem. So 5x squared plus 3x squared is going to give me 8x squared. Minus 2x plus x will give me just simply minus x. And then we're just left with negative 4. So this is our solution here. 8x squared minus x minus 4. Cannot see attached solution. And I guess I'll just write out my solution for this one. So f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x, which is going to equal 5x squared minus 2x plus 3x squared plus x minus 4, which will give me 8x squared minus x minus 4. And this here is our solution for this problem. 8x squared minus x minus 4. So the solution is incorrect because again, I cannot see the detailed solution attached.